Hi everyone, Recreational TV here. Today we are going to review this Givvy app that pays in PayPal, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and more. So we will talk about the app, how to earn or ways to earn, mode of payment, and I'm going to share tips and tricks as well. So stay tuned until the end so you won't miss any important details. But before we start, welcome to my channel Recreational TV where I share videos on how to make money online. I personally test every single app and website to see if it is legit or scam. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated. Without further ado, let's get into it. To download the app, I put the link in the description of this video. You will get 1000 coins if you use my link. And as soon as you downloaded and installed the app, you will have the option to continue using your Facebook or Google account. In my case, I choose Google, then select my language and save. So this is how the homepage looks like, so simple and easy to navigate. This is where you can see your earned coins. There's leaderboard or ranking system as well. Now, what are the ways to earn money using this app? The first way to earn is by playing the game. The mechanic is so simple. You just need to guess if the next number is going to be either higher or lower than the given number. Numbers between 1 to 80 are drawn. If you can do that 10 times, you will be rewarded virtual coins convertible into real cash. If you happen to guess it wrong, then you will lose a life because there's life system. You can just watch ads in order to proceed. Ads may vary. There's 5 to 15 seconds long and some are skippable based on my experience. Yay, 68 lower. And lower again. Higher. Higher. Lower. Higher. Lower. Yay, so I earned 120 points. And the next way to earn this app is invite friends. This is optional. You can still cash out your money without inviting a friend. But if you want to earn coins passively, this might be the best option. You can earn up to 4,000 coins per user. The third way to earn is via offers. Here you will see special offers, offer walls, and service. Let's see the special offers. Similar to any GPT sites, Givvy also has an offer wall section that rewards you to complete online tasks. Some tasks might involve downloading and installing the app, playing games to reach certain levels, and many more. I haven't tried this one yet because I know it will take some time to complete the tasks. And points are not credited real time, so that's the reason. So here's my tip. The best and preferred way to earn in Givvy is to take part and complete theorem-rich service. This is because you can earn a big amount of coins by qualifying and giving your opinion. If you are disqualified in the middle of the survey, you will still be rewarded with prorated amount of coins like 100, 200, 300, 400 coins if you are not a good match. See, 100 coins. Just like this, Theorem Rich gives me 100 coins for trying, just to show they appreciate my time for clicking and trying. So far, I only completed one survey and the rest of the coins are just rewarded for trying. You can also see my reward history. And the fourth way to earn here in Givvy app is through leaderboard or ranking system. Givvy also offers a leaderboard or ranking system where you can earn up to $1 daily. You can base the prizes here. First spot receives $1. Second placer will receive 60 cents. The third placer will receive 40 cents. Fourth to 10th placer 20 cents. 11 to 50th placer, 10 cents. 51st to 250th placer, 4 cents. And 2 cents for 251 to 500. So let me show you the coins I got from the leaderboard. I got 4,000 coins as a reward for being at 228 position. As I've mentioned earlier, those who placed 51st to 250th will receive 4,000 coins, and the leaderboard will refresh every 24 hours. You will also see the timer above, and the app will send you push notification to inform you that your position has changed. Currently, I'm at 363 position. If I will stay in this position until the clock stops, then I'm eligible for 2,000 coins. And the last option to earn coins is to watch ads in the top right corner of the screen. Now let's proceed to cash out options. As you can see, there's multiple cash out options. Not only you can cash out to PayPal, but you can cash out to various outlets including Payer, Perfect Money, Amazon gift cards, Coinbase, Binance, Litecoin, and two more options. So the conversion would be 1,000 coins is equivalent to 1 cent. And since I already reached the minimum withdrawal, I will cash out through Coinbase. I prefer using Coinbase because I am collecting free Bitcoin from various apps. To proceed, you just need to fill out the form with your Coinbase email address, enter the amount, and click on withdrawal. And boom, it says you've successfully withdrawn 0.19 USD to your Coinbase account. What I love about this app is that it has low minimum threshold, user-friendly interface, it has multiple cash out options, and this transparency and fast transactions. I already received my payout to Coinbase. And here's what I don't like about this app is that games are limited and repetitive, low earning potential, and limited lives for playing the games. So to end this video, you can earn money for free with this app, but this will not make you rich. Or you will feel like the time that you exert in this app is not worthy of its payout. However, it will not hurt you to try to earn a few dollars up to $100. And I hope this Givvy app review has provided you a detailed insight on how it works before joining. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, feel free to let me know in the comment section.